So let's look at what is called the quartile deviation or the semi-interquartile range. Here we look back at our cumulative frequency curve. We see that the quartile deviation or the semi-interquartile range is half of Q3 minus Q1. Right? So let's do a little calculation here. If we say half of Q3 minus Q1, then what we have for the quartile deviation or the semi-interquartile range is half of Q3, which is 166, minus Q1, which is 158, equals what? Half of 166 minus 158. So that goes to 458 and 2168, half of 8. Alright, half of 8 basically. So that is 4 centimeters. So you're covering this area and you're doing calculations with it. Now what you're really doing is leaving out some extreme values, but that's a disadvantage as well, because it ignores this area and this area. Alright, so there's some disadvantage in doing that, but most of the data, most of the members that you're studying will be clustered within this area between Q1 and Q3, or this area between Q1 and Q3, and outside of that area represent some extreme values. So it gives you an approximate something that you can rely on in your calculation when you're dealing with the quartile deviation or the semi-interquartile range. Alright, so that's for the quartile deviation, otherwise called the semi-interquartile range. I will see you in the next video.